Purchasing your own property for Airbnb is a great idea and has resulted in a very profitable business for many. It is gradually growing in popularity each year in Jamaica. Though many will come to realize the many management and technical roadblocks that come with this field, such as website listing, property confirmation, organizing your cancellation, linking multiple channels to sync and prevent overbookings, and resolving property details issues, which can be very time-consuming, even for experienced hosts focusing on other tasks. Sometimes a little help never hurts. Introducing Westay-Jamaica, assisting hotels and villas with everything from property cleaning, minor maintenance, room decor, drapery, custom signs, photography, and drone footage, capturing your property from every angle. Already listed online, but can't get your property to perform during the slow seasons? Westay can assist you with driving traffic to your website and improving your bookings with our personalized 5-day ad campaign to collect the necessary keywords and metadata suited for your property. Our management program will handle every step from contacting the guest to directing and assisting them with any issues until checkout. Supported platforms include Bed24, Booking.com, Expedia, and Airbnb. With our easy referral program, you can earn a commission for every customer you refer, putting cash back into your wallet. Join Westay-Jamaica, the hotel and tourism helper, bringing ease to being a host. Contact us via email, text, or call to arrange a meeting or for further details. Thank you.